Hey, Walter Wahala here with Arc Energy Consulting. Today we're going to be performing a blower door test. Hopefully this will give you a better understanding of what this equipment does and how important it is in our industry and in my job to make your home more comfortable. Now we use this in home energy audits, and also we use it for builders to test new homes to see how efficient they are as well. This is one of many tools. That's why this is the first video of a series called Home Comfort and Efficiency. Let's get started. Now I've laid out all the components to a blower door. We have a fan right here. Now that's actually going to be set in the door with this frame, and it's going to help us depressurize the home to what's equivalent to a 20-mile-per-hour wind against all sides of the home. We have a manometer. It's just a pressure gauge. It works in correlation with the fan to help us determine how much leakage we actually have in the home. We've got our pressure hoses, we've got a laptop, and we've got a thermal camera. Now the thermal camera is important on existing homes because we're able to pinpoint areas. That way the homeowner doesn't have to seal up areas that aren't leaking, with saving time and money. Now the next step to do is just set it up in the door. Okay, now we're ready to run the test. As you can see, I've got my frame in the door, the fan in the frame, our manometer or pressure gauge hooked up to our fan, and I also have it hooked up to the computer. Now I like to use a computer, you don't have to, but this enables us to do multi-point testing so I can make sure I get a good number of how much leakage we have. Now I've also gone through the house and verified that all the windows are closed, all the interior doors are open, and all the exterior doors are closed. The only thing left now is to run the test. So right now the computer's going to get a baseline off the manometer because we want a 50 Pascal difference between the inside of the house and the outside. Once that baseline is set, it's going to ask about rings. Now looking at this home, I'm going to assume we're probably going to use the A-ring, so that's what I'm going to start with first. And then the next thing to do is to start the test. So as you can see, I've got the fan started and it's being controlled by the computer. So it's going to start off to get the house to 50 pascals difference, and then it's going to step down 5 pascals at a time until we complete the test. Now we've completed our testing. We have our reference points here that we've tested at, and we have a leakage value. Now this leakage value is key because this gives us an idea of about how much money the customer is wasting due to air leakage. Also with energy codes, we can do code compliance with that. And also, if it's a very tight home, we may have to add ventilation, and this is how we can figure that out. That concludes our first installment of Home Comfort and Efficiency. I hope this blower door setup kind of gives you an idea of why we use this tool. Now we're going to have more installments of this program where this is utilized even more with different tools. I'm Walter Wahala with Arc Energy Consulting. Thank you.